Ka jingklat kendi UMP ke Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Ricky Andrew Jisengkon Grawan Ra ka jingkendit ke bomla syuk ban batai ye Paidbah ke jela kamtam ye keri kasi Jaitbynriew. Dr. Ricky la klat kensan ha ka janmet kat kenai trik rumpang aja Punriu hamdan ye kai futsal maulai moyong kumbah ha ka por ndu PMA ha ka bau kelon kensan ha ka tegi jaka. Nengkong la penkit sya moyong community health center handai la penkit no sya Dr. H. Gordon Hospital Jayau Shillong berhadir na benar walau klat no. Kajing klat jong kala bandai na kajing sangat kensan uklong Snem nehat atang. Mas sentip ya kajing klat Dr. Ricky ki Paidbah ke tu cikti jaka da kemensim ke basusi berpaid Dohnud. Dr. Ricky lo adapson pusau Snem kerta bad uhikai hanihu ha ka subjek economic syua ba un yaso sika san pertai bad ya don benta bantau ya ka Voice of the People's Party VPP bad wa syajid kum UMP sika Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency dak ba job keput ya kertong ke Kongres ba Vincent H. Pala haduk sanlak but tam haus nem ajal pusau. Ya Dr. Ricky Latip kum UMP jong ki barit baria nama udai breu berit wayajan bat ki Paidbah bat ubajai ka jinglong. Ha kini ki Snem ka jong MP jong u wala Kren Shibun ki mat ki jura baka jela kai kendu wala udai MP marwai hak dobar ka sanspa supply ngut ki MP hendai jure ting banjiang ban Kren yang jing yang ka Jaitbynriew ka jing Khlad jong u ka de ki jingdu ka kraw hadu kata-kata ya ka jela kino yalam bar ki rusain petai ka jela ka penpau ka jing sengu kendit ya kini ki jing Khlad no UMP ka Shillong.
A very shocking moment for I think all the citizens of the state. I had met late Dr. Ricky Khan about 2 weeks back in Delhi. I still remember the conversation we had. He had come to my residence and we had spoken about the different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Ricky Khan. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow, I was preparing for the budget and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Ricky Khan had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I had called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling and hopefully he's feeling better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical. And that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jaitbynriew Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Ricky Khan, who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Ricky Khan. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss. And I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in peace. The Deputy Chief Minister, Parliamentary Affairs, we will be having a meeting tomorrow with the PAC, headed by obviously the respected Speaker of the House, and the decision will be taken tomorrow. But I have communicated from my side to Honorable Deputy CM in charge Parliamentary Affairs that it would be appropriate for the government not to go ahead with the proceedings of the House tomorrow in respect of late Dr. Ricky Khan. And even though tomorrow is the day we were supposed to present the budget, it would make absolute sense and respect to the departed soul if we were to postpone even the presentation of the budget tomorrow.
Leaders Paidbah jelang kalong kay Dohnud kabalong pendit hadapan yang ajin Khlad kensan no itu Ricky Khan WMP betul juga Shibun konstitusi dengan soba ia terbentalang mentah kapit nadu Chief Minister jogi Paidbah ni borong soba KMNAs jongi barong KMDCs dia don barong ba ibu ya kini ke jingji ke basnosi Dibangi Jaitbynriew Mimla ban Diang Tang Habe Jing Penyai Putih Kena Cerong Bukam Paidbah ban Ngelit Sekian Bakal Ide Kaplan Kejong Kena Cerong Dipa Ia Bejik Sekolah Sya Kipara Jong Kiparo Kipayin Pasen Jong Kipa Sengkon Paro Paidbah Ni Kremen Sekian Nituai Boleh Unai Ia Bejik Bat Kumju Unai Bejik Dengan Ya Kipayin Pasen Dia Kabiade Ban Kasession Kabinidon Lasyai Kasngi Kumai CM Tai Kabisi Kan Syong Lasyai Kasngi Bat Nakaliang Joka Sorkar Langba Jongi Chief Minister Jongi Ilapang Yaka Jings Ngau Balak Nukumu Lasyai Kasngi Ide Ban Ajuan Ya Kenika House Ko Jongi Lasyai Den Yakata Ngin Saleh Lasyai Kasngi Hakaba Ngihap Ya Kaban Don ka abashwi reference kajing ai pulang handung ya uneu noyalam jong kecela jong bat ya kene minsa pedip sekali lasai kasih hadir tapi